In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a screenshot into Microsoft Word. Whether you want to capture a specific part of your screen or insert a whole window, it's pretty simple. Let's go through the steps one by one. First, open your Word document and head to the top of the screen, where you'll find the Insert tab. Click on it. Now, in the section labeled Illustrations, you'll see an option called Screenshot. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, showing you all of the windows currently open on your computer. Choose the one you want to capture. Once you make your selection, Word will automatically insert the screenshot of that window right into your document. It's a quick and easy way to add visuals directly from what's on your screen. If you want to capture a specific part of your screen instead of a whole window, you can use the Snip and Sketch tool. To do this, press Windows plus Shift plus S. This will bring up a tool that lets you select the area you want to capture. After you've chosen the section you want to screenshot, it will be copied to your clipboard. Now, go back to your Word document and either right-click and select Paste, or simply press Ctrl plus V to insert your screenshot. It's a great option when you only need a specific part of your screen. Another option is to manually insert a screenshot that you've saved. After capturing your screenshot using any method you prefer, go back to your Word document. Under the Insert tab, click on Pictures, then select this device. Find the screenshot file you saved, click on it, and hit Insert. The screenshot will then appear in your document, just like any other image. That's it. Now you know how to insert a screenshot into your Word document using 3 different methods. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.